Let's see how my sister made this yummy and delicious Ogbono soup. Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. So she started by washing the meat. She's using cow leg. She started by scrubbing it with sponge, and now she's rinsing the meat and transferring it to the pot. After which she'll add some water and cook until soft. The meat has been cooking for about 30 to 40 minutes now, so it's soft enough. And she went ahead to share it into two because she'll be making another pot of soup later. Next, she's cutting in some onions into the pot for the Ogbono soup while I helped her to add the pounded crayfish and the pepper, which we pounded earlier on. She also added some salt to the meat, seasoning cubes, and water. Then cover and allow it to continue to cook. And here we have some dry fish which she washed with warm water and added to the pot. After adding the palm oil, she now added the ogbono. She did not fry the ogbono separately or dissolve it first with palm oil. She added it straight to the pot and it turned out so good. So this is another simple way of making ogbono soup. You don't have to fry it or dissolve it with a palm oil before cooking. Add it straight there, it will still dissolve. After about 15 to 20 minutes of cooking the ogbono, it is ready. But we're going to add vegetables. So we are using uziza leaf and also bitter leaf. 2 minutes after adding the bitter leaf, the soup is ready and yummy. She dished out the one we ate, and I really enjoyed the soup. It was so delicious. And then she packed the remaining for the month. I hope you enjoyed watching the video with me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and share the video. And until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.